Hello, my name is Syed Muhammad Adan Mushi bin Syed Muhammad Jeffrey, and my student ID is 2024698 Physics A. So, before we jump into our title, this slide is only for educational purposes only. So I'm gonna introduce what is crystal meth is. Crystal meth is a powerful illegal stimulant drug that affects the central nervous system. The appearance is come in clear crystal-like chunk of shiny blue-white rock. So in the next part, we're going to talk about chemical reaction in crystal meth, which is synthesized over the counter. Ingredients like pseudoephedrine, along with toxic chemical like ammonia, lithium, and acetone, is often produced in illegal labs, posing environmental and safety risk. So in the next part, we're going to talk about method of use in crystal meth, which is smoking, snorting, injecting, and also swallowing. And first, we're going to start with smoking, which is crystal meth is placed in a glass pipe. It is commonly referred as the meth pipe, heated until it produces vapor. The user inhales the vapor directly into the lungs. So next part, we're going to start with snorting. Crystal meth is crushed into a fine powder and snorted into the nose using a straw or rolled paper. So in the third part, we're going to talk about injecting, which is crystal meth is dissolved in water or another liquid and injected directly into the bloodstream using a syringe. In the last part, we're going to talk about swallowing, which is crystal meth is ingested in pill form or mixed into food or drinks. Usually take longer to feel the effects, which is 15 to 30 minutes, but the high lasts longer to smoking or injecting.
Hello, my name is Hamza Arif, and my student ID is 2024420166. And now I explain to you about addiction and dependence. Crystal meth is an highly addictive due to its impact on dopamine levels in the brain. It is also intense craving, withdrawal symptoms such as depression, fatigue, and irritability. There is also an health risk for the consumer of crystal meth, for such as they will feel anxiety, hallucination, psychosis, stroke, heart attack, and even paranoia. Short-term effect and long-term effect. Short-term effect is an immediate or near-term consequences that occur soon after an event or action. Long-term effect, in another case, is the consequences that develop or persist over a longer duration, often months, years, or even decades. So next, I will explain to you about short-term effect. First, there will increase energy, alertness, and confidence. Persons that consume crystal meth may experience a noticeable boost in their physical energy levels, heightened awareness of their surroundings, and a significant increase in self-assurance and motivating during this period. Second is lost appetite. The individual might experience a dramatic reduction in their desire or interest in eating, leading to skip meals or decreased overall food intake. Third is euphoria and intense focus. A sense of extreme happiness and heightened clarity can occur, accompanied by enhanced ability to concentrate on tasks with greater intensity and efficiency. And lastly is a rapid heart rate, elevated blood pressure, and hyperactivity. The body's cardiovascular becomes overreactive, resulting in a noticeably faster heartbeat, higher than normal blood pressure levels, and increased tendency to move or act in a restless, energetic manner. So next, I will explain to you about short-term effect. First, they will increase energy, alertness, and confidence. Persons that consume crystal meth may experience a noticeable boost in their physical energy levels, heightened awareness of their surroundings, and a significant increase in self-assurance and motivating during this period. Second is lost appetite. The individual might experience a dramatic reduction in their desire or interest in eating, leading to skip meals or decreased overall food intake. Third is euphoria and intense focus. A sense of extreme happiness and heightened clarity can occur, accompanied by enhanced ability to concentrate on tasks with greater intensity and efficiency. And lastly is a rapid heart rate, elevated blood pressure, and hyperactivity. The body's cardiovascular becomes overreactive, resulting in a noticeably faster heartbeat, higher than normal blood pressure levels, and increased tendency to move or act in a restless, energetic manner.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Fahim bin Ahmad Fauzi and my student number is 2024-4122-1A. So next, we are going to production and distribution. First thing first, this chemistry drugs is made in illegal labs using toxic chemicals such as sulfuric acid and acetone. Next, this drug also environmental hazard, that is, waste from meth production is highly toxic.
In the TV series Breaking Bad, the meth lab serves as a central element, highlighting the practical application of chemistry in an illegal setting. Let's take a closer look at the setup of Walter White's meth lab and how it reflects real-world chemistry. First, lab environment. The meth lab in Breaking Bad evolves throughout the series. Initial setup, a makeshift lab in an RV, symbolizing improvised and risky production. As shown in this picture, is an advanced super lab, a professionally designed underground facility showcasing industrial-scale chemical synthesis. The second one is scientific accuracy. While Breaking Bad consulted lab to ensure realism, some aspects were fictionalized to prevent viewers from replicating the process. In conclusion, the meth lab in Breaking Bad is a compelling depiction of chemistry in action, from basic setups to sophisticated facilities. However, it also serves as a reminder of the risks and ethical implications tied to misusing scientific knowledge.
So next, we are going to treatment and recovery. First, the treatment involves a combination of behavioral therapies and support groups. Next, no FDA, that is, Food and Drugs Administration approved medication specifically for meth addiction. And lastly, importance of seeking professional help and community support.
Next, I'm going to present about prevention. Before that, my name is Muhammad Anas Najmi. My student ID is 2024-294-826. One of the prevention is education awareness. Schools and universities can implement comprehensive drug education programs to teach students about the dangers of drug abuse. Next, public campaigns. Launch awareness campaigns through media, social platforms, and community events to highlight the risks and consequences of drug use. And another example of prevention is community engagement. Community can support local initiatives like youth clubs, sports programs, or volunteer opportunities to engage individuals in healthy activities. Other than that, parental involvement. Encourage parents to build strong, open relationships with their children and discuss the dangers of drugs early on.